Okay, we're ready now.
Yes, we're ready now.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I am with my mom today. We are doing an eyelash tutorial for you guys because we're both Asian and we have short, straight lashes that don't curl naturally. A lot of people have tough times like being able to curl their lashes. A lot of them just curl them once and it looks like an L, like straight up. And it's not as like natural.
I've done it since I was younger and I always try to figure out how to make my lashes look like American lashes because they're always so curly, and the secret is a C curl.
So it looks like a C instead of an L on your like side profile.
Yeah. My lashes are super straight. Can they see it?
Yeah, if you go closer. Yeah, they're super straight. Mine are a little bit longer than my mom's. We're both gonna curl our eyelashes, and we both use just like regular eyelash curlers.
I have the Lancome one. Which one do you have?
Mine's Ulta Beauty.
Okay. I use Shiseido too. That one's a really good one.
Yeah,
I switch out between Lancome MAC and Shiseido.
But I also have the Shu Uemura one that's like mini.
That was one of the first ones I got you.
Yeah, it's better for Asian lashes because you can do them in 2 separate parts.
The very base, and then I just lightly tap all
That's
the way to the
exactly
tip.
what I do.
Can we see who has the funniest face when we're doing this? You know when you're putting mascara on, it's always like...
My mascara face, my mouth is always open.
So one of my favorite things to do is to always use waterproof mascara because I feel like it keeps your eyelashes curled. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you use waterproof mascara, I think it helps your lashes curl, stay
It
curled
holds the curl
better because every single time I try to use the non-waterproof mascara, it just goes straight.
And
like, if we can get a camera that's close and just show you my lashes, like where I have it curled perfectly, and I'm like, oh, this is so perfect. And then I use a certain mascara, and then it just like, some of it's still curled and some of it's straight.
Yeah.
Annoys me to death. This is my first one. It's a L'Oreal Voluminous.
And I only use one mascara. I've tried so many different ones. Like I have a YSL one, I have the Better Than Sex Too Faced one, I have all of the Maybelline different ones. I always stick with this one. This one was a suggestion by Erica Costell, and Emma and I tried it and we were like, let's see, because it's only like $7, so it's like the cheapest mascara you could get. It's drugstore mascara. And we tried it out. We got the waterproof version. And it's like the blackest black one, and I'm obsessed. Like I don't think I'll ever use a different one. I used to use that one too, that my mom's using right now, and I just didn't like it as much as this.
So this is my first layer. That's my first layer. It looks like Allison's without any mascara. My eyelashes are thin.
The brush on this is so pretty. Like it's just like a fan, so I brush it up. I put mascara on, I feel like different than anybody else does. I put it at the root, and then I close my eyes. I feel like it makes them stay separated a little.
And then the next one I like to use, since I said my eyelashes are thin, and it helps find all the tiny, teeny, tiny lashes and keeps them curled. And then my other one is another L'Oreal Voluminous, so this is going to add more volume. This is one of those that has like 2 sides. Like a first step with the base, this brush here. I know you're supposed to do it first, but I know for sure that one just keeps my eyelashes curled, so I like to use that as a base and then use this to kind of plump them up like that, you know?
Oh, and also with my mascara, I like putting it on the ends with the end of the brush because it gives like this kind of wing effect to your eyelashes, like an eyeliner wing, but to your eyelashes. I don't know.
Looks so good. Doing a good job.
Thanks. Oh, is somebody in there?
You have a booger in your nose.
No, I don't.
Just kidding. Check this out though. These brushes are so different. This brush, it curls, it curves. This one's kind of like plump on both ends, and this one curls up.
I'm more dramatic than that. Look at that. I put it there and I close my eye. And it kind of clumps them together too. I like that.
Okay, so that was the second mascara.
Oh.
This is today when I don't put on, I might not put on my fake lashes. We've done 2 L'Oreals. Maybelline. I tried this one the other day.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Ta-da! Falsies Push Up. I love this one.
Have you said that to like all of the ones you've said?
No, I love them all for different things. Look at how this brush is. If I can focus this.
It's weird.
Yeah, it's weird. It's super thin. This one, I just go like right where my lash line is, and I just slowly go up. And you know, it's all about your pressure too, because if you're just like going in there jamming into your eye, then you're gonna get clumpy lashes. So like for us, we have to be like super gentle and kind of just like pet our lashes, because
I kind of
that's
like
what keeps them separated.
Look,
Almost done. Are you done?
Yes. Oh, well, kind of. I just did one layer. This is one layer mascara for me.
Maybelline again. I don't do bottom lash at all. I just do
I just
eyeliner.
started doing bottom lash. I kind of like it.
Define a lash is the final one.
What's good is all of these are drugstore.
Check out this brush. This is almost like the L'Oreal one, but it's plastic versus like the softer bristles. Really sticks to your lashes. You know, I just like variety.
Okay.
That's the reason why. I can probably keep layering on the Million Lash, just keep doing it, but each of them I feel like with different brushes, it just adds different layers and has different benefits. I'm the biggest product junkie there is, and so Allison slowly is becoming a sample product junkie. Okay, so here's my lashes. How do I show them so you can see?
Stand up a little.
Oh my gosh.
Don't be lazy.
You're trying to get me to squat. She's trying to get me to work out all the time. So much longer, right, than before? I mean, I did do like a million layers, but alright.
That's
all
it.
done.
That's it. That's all.
Yes.
5 mascaras later and 3 eyelash curlers. To give a more dramatic feel, I do put under my waterline eyeliner on.
I have one eye that's smaller than the other, so this one I will draw right under my lash line, and this one I'll draw on my lash line.
What?
Yeah, this is a new discovery for me. Since May.
Wow, that's smart.
Yeah, I tried it out and I was like, okay, now you can barely tell.
Just
So now everyone's gonna be looking at my pictures like, she does have a small eye. Perfect, I know.
Okay. Well, that was our video. I hope you loved it just as much as we loved filming it for you guys.
That was fun.
It was fun.
I
Very
always wanted to
simple.
share my
I didn't think
eyelash
it would be this
routine.
long, but
Yeah.
it was this long. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
and get notified.
Ding!